All right, welcome everyone. This is the 13th of May, and we have CPI on Wednesday. Okay, let's take a look at daily from a technical perspective here. And what we can see here now in the daily is obviously we had a resistance around, what price is this? We had resistance around 23.38. Price broke above this resistance. We moved up, and we sort of had like a possible rejection here in the daily. So uh, maybe we're coming down to do a retest for price to continue pushing up on the daily. But let's take a look on the 4 hour and see what's going on. Looking at the 4 hour was trending bullish, and we have created a resistance. And now at the same time, it seems like the 4 hour candles are trying to push down below this area, and we have clean candles here to the left hand side. So notice on the daily, we're moving up, but there may be some sort of retracement happening on the daily. But now when we look on the 4 hour, there are clean candles here to the left hand side. We're breaking below this support. It's about to close in an hour, and we may continue to push down. Let's take a look on the 1 hour now. Looking at the 1 hour, we do see that this 1 hour candle is closing below this area. At the same time, I think we got a resistance right here in the 1 hour time frame that price may come down to this level. We obviously have a wick fill on the 1 hour time frame. Let's take a look on the 30-minute. Looking at the 30-minute, now we have even some more information now. Now on the 30-minute, things are much more a little bit clear. And this is where we have a resistance formed on the 30-minute. At the same time, I think we got a support formed here in the 30-minute here as well. So let's mark this down right there. So right now, price is consolidating. This is what we want. We want consolidation. This is like a 30 pip range. We're consolidating. If we can break and close above 23.59 or 23.60, you got like a 43 pip range for price to move up. 43 pip range for price to move up. Right? At the same time, let's say if we're trying to look at if what will happen if price can break and close below 23.56 at this point. If we do break and close below 23.56, there's a very good possibility we can continue pushing down. And this is what? This is around a 36 pip range for price to push down. So I'd say I'd be waiting for price to break and close below here. But the only thing I'm concerned about is this wick here to the left hand side. And I'm going to tell you why. The reason why is because as this candle is going to break below 23.56, it has to close below this area. Okay, it has to close below this area so the next candle to go down. As it's opened in this wick area, this means it can reject. So it has to close below. So let's see what happens. All right, so looking at pound yen. Wow, look at this gap over here, and we move right back up. Let's take a look on the daily time frame. Looking at the daily time frame, what we got over here is obviously, like, the daily is trending bullish. We're very, very bullish on the daily. Let's take a look at on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour, we are now consolidating. So you notice how we go to the higher time frame, and then we look at the smaller time frame, and then we find some more information on a small time frame and stuff like that. So that's what's happening right over here. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, this is what we got. We have a resistance forming at this point on the 1 hour. It's very tough. There's one resistance right over here, and if you do break above this area, 195, 200, this is like 9-10 pips away, so maybe we're going to put it right over here. Yeah, this 1 hour candle is about to close, and if this 1 hour candle is closing, maybe we're creating a support at this point. Let's take a look on the 30-minute. Looking at the 30-minute, I guess we do have a support. And if this is a resistance, next resistance is 10 pips away, so it can't do much over here. See, okay, so what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to see, and I want you guys to do a little bit of analysis and say that, okay, what's going to be better? Are sells going to be better, or are buys going to be better? So let's talk about buys here first. So if this is a resistance 195, 150, we break above this resistance. What's the range here till the next resistance? The range is 10 pips. Is this a tradable range? Absolutely not. If we break above 195, 250, what's the range till the next resistance? This is 6 pips. This is not tradable. Absolutely not. Right? But if we break below 195 even, what's the range The range is 30 pips. This wick fill, this is a better trade to take. So sells are better to take in pound yen. Right now, if we take a look at what if we break above 195, 300, okay? If we break above 195, 300, let's take a look at this here now. Scroll to the left hand side, and this is what we see to the left hand side. We have, probably some sort of area here. This is, like 33 pips away. But all in all, I think gold has a much better price action than pound yen. Um, for someone who trades some other pairs, these are the ways you break down charts. You go from the high time frame, you go through a small time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame. Then you start to look at, okay, what areas can I place trades in? So awesome. So we're going to see you guys here for the London session later on at 3 a.m. Eastern. We'll see you then. Take care.